Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the Retriever Con Panna in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new collaborations with Maltese, and in these collaborations you can cook any special food. One of them is Retriever Con Panna like this, and to get this food you can get the recipe first. You can get the recipe from the exchange store at the Puppy Gacha machine, and after you get this recipe, you can cook this food. In here you need 2 milk and then coffee beans, 1 coffee beans that you can get it from the NPC chef Massimo, and you also need the coffee. You can just cook the coffee first, and after that just simply tap start cooking when all the ingredients are ready. Just tap on it, and then just like that you will cook the food like this, and just like that your Retriever Con Panna is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.